Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Mini Militia game on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Mini Militia on your iOS device, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Mini Militia and search. The Mini Militia Doodle Army 2 is an intense multiplayer combat game. It can be played online with up to 6 players, and it is a fun cartoon theme cross between Soldat and Halo. Once you find the game, tap on the Get button or the Download button to begin downloading the app. Now wait until the app gets downloaded, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that the application has been downloaded, and now tap on the Open button to launch Open Mini Militia on your iOS device. That is how you can easily download Mini Militia on iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.